Do you ever go to the grocery store to try to find yourself a lower calorie sweet treat that tastes really good, but you come home feeling disappointed because your treats that you got really don't taste great at all? Well, I'm here to solve that problem with my cookie recipe. Now, before you do anything, make sure you preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, while that is preheating, you're going to go ahead and add some of your dry ingredients into your bowl. So we want to add in first the almond flour, then your baking soda and your baking powder, and last but not least, your salt. Then you're gonna go ahead and stir that all up. Now put those dry ingredients off to the side. You're gonna need them later. And now we're going to add in our wet ingredients into our mixing bowl. So first we need to start off with my favorite ingredient, butter, because y'all know butter makes it better. And then you're going to add in your sugar, your vanilla, and your eggs, and then you're gonna mix that all together. Make sure the consistency is nice and smooth, and then you're going to slowly start adding in your dry ingredients, about a quarter to a half a cup at a time. Just don't do it all at once or it'll get really clumpy way too fast and it'll kind of mess everything up. Now that we have our dough, we're going to get rid of our mixer. We don't need it anymore. And then you're going to take 1 cup of oats, pour it in, then you're gonna fold, and then you're gonna take another cup of oats, pour it in, and then you're gonna fold again. And then lastly, your last cup of oats, and then you're gonna fold that in again. So the reason why we do it this way as opposed to just throwing it all into the mixer is because we like to keep those oats nice and whole. We don't want them being broken down in the mixer. So protect your oats and fold them in gently. All right, now it's time to fold in the cranberries. And last but not least, we are going to fold in those white chocolate chips. You can never have too many chocolate chips. Now that that's all done, I'm going to take an ice cream scoop and individually scoop out each cookie onto my baking tray. You don't have to use an ice cream scoop if you don't want to. I just like mine to be all about the same size. Now, because these cookies don't actually spread while you're making them, you need to push them down yourself to get your desired thickness. Who needs a stress ball when you have cookies? Bam! All right, go ahead and pop them in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes, depending on how your oven is. Just make sure you keep an eye on them. You want the edges to be slightly golden brown. And there you have it, a delicious lower calorie treat that you can enjoy at any time of the day. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this recipe. Please remember to like this video and maybe even subscribe to my channel if you want to see videos just like this one. Anyway, until next time, see you later.